Who would have thought we'd be reviewing the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks on this channel today? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all looking after yourselves today, because today we're reviewing the Jordan Jumpman Jack Travis Scott TR Cell Dark Mocha sneaker. What a mouthful. But before we look at the sneaker, please do actually like, follow, subscribe. Come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shooter podcast with me and the BRoll 808 Kicks ATL, where we talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court of public opinion. And please do follow the BRoll 808 Kicks ATL. And also please keep doing amazing things that you keep doing always to hit your goals, hit your targets, making sure you keep winning, because today we're looking at a big win, and this is for the Travis Scott Jordan TR Jumpman Jack Cell Brown Mocha, and this is a gorgeous sneaker. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, this is the Jordan Jumpman Jack Travis Scott TR Cell Brown Mocha. That's the official name for the sneaker. We just call it the cell variation of the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks, but this is a beautiful sneaker. But before we look at the sneaker itself, let's take a look at the box, because the box is a brand spanking new box. It's a heavyweight box, and it actually weighs quite a bit. As you can see, if you got this box, you know it weighs quite a bit. But this is basically a dark mocha box all the way through. Red hints on the actual inside, red hints on the Jumpman on the side there. It's got the crown, basically Travis Scott crown on the top of it, because basically he's winning at this moment in time. Jack on the side here, Jack on the side here, Jumpman on the side here, and Jumpman on the side here. That is absolutely beautiful. It's got all the affiliating like Travis Scott and Jumpman, sycamore face, and Travis Scott's actual logo there, and Jumpman there as well. Basically it is a dope box. It's a heavyweight box. It's like double, triple cardboard on this, and it is really hard to get, because like heavy in terms of what it is. But yeah, as you can see, red motifs inside. You get brown tissue paper, you get white tissue paper, which is independently basically covering the sneaker in total to give you like that full protection. But on the box label, this is what it should read, this is how it should come, and this is how it should be, guys. And basically the box label reads Jumpman Jack TR for some reason, and it's basically colorway is cell, muslin brown, and mocha, and this is a size 10, my size, so watch out to the end for the on feet, and the US 11, UK 10, 12.5 for the ladies there, or the small feet gang, and obviously EU 45 for the European guys. But yes, this is box label reads or the code reads FZ8117100, and basically that's how it should read, that's how it should come, that's how it should always be, guys. Make sure it is like that, make sure it comes like that. This is from Offspring. They came in clutch and actually gave me the W, so shout out to them, because I was basically walking away from that release and thinking I'm gonna get the L from this, because I had L from like 10 or 15 other places where I put raffles in. I wanted this variation because I like the vibe on this sneaker, because I think it's like a trainer vibe. But we'll talk about the sneaker in a bit, because you also get like this burlap bag or sack, and it is dope, and it's got like red waxy ends to it. It's got the actual sycamore face and a Jordan Jumpman on there as well. Absolutely dope and absolutely fantastic, guys. But now let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shebang. And as you can see, guys, this is the Jordan Jumpman Jack Travis Scott TR Cell Dark Mocha. I'm just going to call it the cell variation, because obviously that's a big mouthful, but this is the actual Jumpman Jack cell variation, which is the first variation, which released on the 30th of April, and this is basically Travis Scott's first signature sneaker with Jordan brand, and in an absolutely beautifully executed sneaker. This reminds me of what Yeezy done with the Yeezy 1 and 2, which basically takes an amalgamation of sneakers and brings it into this. This is basically supposed to be a very durable sneaker, because Travis wants this to be a sneaker that is versatile, just like a Trainer 1, which is very versatile in all the different ranges. And this is what is actually brought to this, and this is what's supposed to be. I've heard this is uncomfortable in terms of the actual midsole itself, which is not giving you that comfort, but I hope it's not true, because I'm gonna definitely wear test this and actually gonna show you guys how it feels on feet, because that's what it's all about in this channel. We gotta prove the theory right or wrong in terms of the sneaker itself. But this is a beautiful silhouette. It's a beautiful sneaker in my personal opinion, and obviously this actual colorway reminds me of the reverse mochas, the Jordan 1 reverse mochas, and this reminds me of like a Jordan 1 trainer, a lot of different amalgamations to produce the inspiration and idea. Like I said, like a Yeezy 1 and 2, Nike Yeezy 1 and 2, which is dope in terms of this being, if you took the Yeezy 2 and took it to a low, it reminds you of this. It is dope the way it kind of produces that and brings that 90s feel to this sneaker, which is so fire. But it is a great sneaker in my personal opinion. But this is just so nice. In hand, it's very light, it's not heavy. The box is heavy, but this sneaker is very light. It's supposed to be durable, it's supposed to be sporty, it's supposed to give you the whole basketball. You can do anything athletically in tune with this, apparently, because if you see Travis Scott in his actual concerts, he's jumping around in these all the time. It's supposed to be basketball, skateboard related, it's supposed to be athletic related, and it's supposed to be durable. But this is a beautiful sneaker which comes with this absolutely beautiful leather. You got the sycamore face at the back, which is Travis Scott's sign. You've got the Travis Scott signature, or the Travis Scott logo on the actual strap. The strap is absolutely beautiful with that leather touch to it. It is beautiful, thick tumbled leather all over the actual leather panels. The actual toe separation to the actual sneaker is dope as well, because basically that toe separation probably gives you a better angle to creases. The actual toe on this as well is actual burlap, I think, maybe actual mesh or canvas of burlap, one or two. It feels like burlap to me. It's that burlap kind of hits the actual lateral and medial panels, and actually at the back as well, which is super fine, which is that dark mocha. Majority of the leather is white, and then you've got that nubuck reverse swoosh, which Travis Scott is famous for. This is why we love Travis Scott. This is why a lot of people love Travis Scott, because of that reverse swoosh. He brings it all the time, and you've got the normal swoosh on the medial side, which is absolutely dope as well. This is a fire sneaker in my personal opinion. On the outsole, you've got a gummy outsole, you've got a ribbed outsole coming into the actual midsole as well, which is dope. I haven't seen this feature a lot. That is dope, and it's ribbed on the actual lateral side and the medial side there, right there as well. The additional paneling to this is weird. Like this, there's a little bit of a paneling stitched here as well, which is a bit weird. But yes, it is a great sneaker. And then you've got the jack, the handwritten jack on the outside. And if you look at the tissue paper inside, it does say that this will rub out after a couple of wears. So watch out for that. If you want to keep that, that's a bit disappointing, because I wish that was like kind of ingrained all the way through. That would be dope. But it tells you if you want your sneaker or not, because that jack proves that if you want it or not. And that actual outsole looks like it's basically you are from Astro World. Literally, it feels like you're from another planet. You're from like Mars, or you're from like Venus, or you're from like the moon, and they've taken that print and put it on there. And this is like the Astro World outprint, or the Astro World outsole. That's dope, and I like that because that looks like Toy Story. Basically, if you watch Toy Story, like Andy writes his name on Woody's actual feet, which is basically the same thing as what Travis Scott has done to this. So it's kind of like an inspiration to that. We first saw this sneaker actually being rocked at the 66 Grammys, and everybody went wild for it, which is last year, and we were talking about this sneaker a lot. But with this sneaker as well, on the insole, you got this pattern as well, which is similar to the outsole pattern. Shout out to the bro Scott, we actually pointed out before this review. But yes, the outsole print is on this insole as well, which is dope. But this reminds me of the Air Max 1 crepe hemp outsole. Basically, it gives you that same gummy outsole, same kind of traction to that, but it's a different traction. Like I said, it reminds me of like an asteroid, an outerly planet print on the outsole, which I don't know how the traction is going to be on this. I want to kind of work out. There's a couple of things I need to work out with the sneaker, whether it's going to be comfortable, whether it's going to be very durable, whether it's going to be last up to the test of time, and also whether that traction is any good. I don't want to be rocking this in like a winter's day and it's icy and I just slip around all over the place, because that traction looks a bit shallow, and obviously over time that's going to wear away, and then you're going to have more of a flatter traction. But other than that, this sneaker is absolutely dope and fire. But you get more laces with it. You get this white set of laces, you get this brown with white dash laces, you get this pure brown laces, and you get another pair of laces, which is a cell pair of laces, which is absolutely dope in my personal opinion, because I feel like you can do loads of swaps. I feel like you can do a load of things to that. I'm gonna have, for the on feet, I'm definitely gonna have one white pair and one cell pair, and you guys got to let me know what is the best pair. But this is a magnificent sneaker in my personal opinion. But also on top of that, you've got the Jumpman on the actual tongue with the crown, and all of that is brown leather on this, which is absolutely dope. It reminds me of a Jordan 3 tongue, not high, but it reminds me of a full leather Jordan 3 tongue. And most of the below the actual top of that tongue is more of that burlap which goes through it, and you've got that little kind of burlap strap you can lace through it. This is dope and this is fire, guys. I can't get away from that sycamore face at the back. Absolutely dope and absolutely fire. La Flame did it. Let's just say Cactus Jack he cut the check and hit it out the home run. And I'm gonna give this a super go. I'm definitely gonna give this a super go. I'm just giving it a super go because I love trainer ones, and this gives me a lot of SB, a lot of Jordan 1, and a lot of trainer vibes to this. I love the strap. I love anything strappy. And if you go to my channel, I'm not gassing this up for no reason, because if you go to my channel, I have a lot of trainer ones, and this is another trainer vibe sneaker. In my personal opinion, I love it. I absolutely adore it, and I'm gonna definitely rock it. The ratings might go down over time because obviously I want to see how comfortable this is, how practical this is, how durable this is, and how this fits. And I've got definitely insoles because I'm gonna try and see if it doesn't fit, because if this insole doesn't work, which is, it's a bit thin, to be honest. This insole is a bit thin. If it doesn't work, then I need to do something about it. But it's a beautiful, magnificent sneaker, 5 goats. And like I do in this channel, I'm gonna give you that front perspective. I'm gonna give you that booty action back perspective with that Travis Scott sycamore face, the lateral side, that medial side, and that beautiful gummy outsole. And guys, there's something about a gummy outsole which absolutely kills it every single time. And I love a good gum outsole because you give that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep hitting the streets, and make sure you keep bringing the heat. And this is definitely a heater, guys, because at this moment in time, this for resale value is going for £600. And if you follow me, if you check my channel out, if you see the reviews I do, I don't always go for like heat like this. I haven't gone from any Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows because I don't like that kind of just the Jordan 1 low when you can have a Jordan 1 high. But this is an exception. Even though it's like a low to mid sneaker, I still think it's absolutely dope. This actually sits a bit lower than the actual Trainer 1, just slightly lower than the Trainer 1, which comparable is not that bad. It's about 1.5 inches lower than a Jordan 3, which obviously I don't mind, to be honest, but for this sneaker, I do not mind. This is an absolutely dope sneaker in my first opinion. But check the on feet, guys. Wait for the on feet. This is going to be on my feet. I'm going to run through drills with this to see how durable this is. I don't care about the price, guys. It's all about the sneaker, not the price, not the resale value. But this is going for crazy numbers. This is going for like £600. So watch out. If you want to get a pair of these are expensive to get. And these were super limited. For a Travis Scott Jordan, and for his first signature sneaker, that is absolutely ridiculous, because it is they made it exclusive, definitely made it exclusive, so that it brought the hype on these sneakers. And the loads of variations coming soon as well. I've just seen another dark mocha black variation, which is crazy. There's like a cream variation coming. University Red is going to be super limited because it's going on the Travis Scott website. That's going to be more expensive than this cell pair, because obviously we know it's when it releases on just one platform, it's going to be limited, it's going to sell out, it's going to be crazy. This is going for 600, that's probably going to go for 1,000 and a bit. I personally reckon 600 UK, probably about 700 US dollars, which is crazy. But that was a review for the Jumpman Jack Travis Scott cell pair. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you do kind of like the sneaker. Let me know your thoughts, let me know your opinions. Some people like it, some people didn't like it. It's a 50-50 Marmite sneaker, obviously, but watch for the end for the on feet, because I'm going to definitely put it on feet. I don't care about the prices, I just love the sneakers. Let's just be honest. If you look through my reviews, I just love sneakers. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love, guys. And I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Peace out for now, guys. Peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference, I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin', I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing, nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing, I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon, I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message, if I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. I swear I'm the truth, I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce, I swear I'm the truth, I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all on the table, similar to Jada, maybe it'll dawn on you later.